Do you need to reformat your PC, fix a system crash, or install a fresh copy of Windows 10 but don't know where to start? In this video, I will show you the quickest, safest, and easiest way to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive using Rufus. This is a complete step-by-step guide, and I'll even show you how to get the official files safely and check your PC's settings so you don't make any mistakes. Let's dive in. Before we touch Rufus, we need three things: a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Make sure it's empty because this process deletes everything on it. The Rufus software, and the official Windows 10 ISO file. To make things incredibly easy for you, I have placed the direct official download links for both Windows 10 and Rufus right down in the video description below. To get the official ISO file safely, click the Microsoft link in the description to open their official software download page. Once the page loads, scroll down slightly until you see the section that reads Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Right below that heading, look for the blue button that says Download Now and click it. A File Explorer window will pop up asking where to save the setup tool. Select your desktop as the location and then click the Save button at the bottom right. Wait for a few seconds for the browser to finish downloading the executable file. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file to open the Media Creation tool. The tool will now launch, and you will see a screen that says, Getting a few things ready. Just wait for a few seconds. Next, the applicable notices and license terms screen will appear. Go ahead and click the Accept button at the bottom right. The tool will display the Getting a few things ready loading screen once again. After it loads, it will ask, What do you want to do? Make sure to select the second option, which says, Create installation media for another PC, and then click Next. On the next screen, you will see options to select your language, edition, and architecture. By default, these settings match your current computer. If you want to change them, for example, if you are downloading this for a different computer, make sure to uncheck the box at the bottom that says, Use the recommended options for this PC. Once unchecked, you can freely select your preferred language. Keep the edition as Windows 10 and choose your architecture, which is almost always 64-bit for modern systems. After making your selections, click Next. Now you will be on the Choose Which Media to Use screen. Do not select USB flash drive. Instead, select the second option that says ISO file, and then click Next. Another File Explorer window will pop up asking where to save the actual Windows image. Choose your desktop again as the download location, leave the file name as Windows, and click Save. The tool will now begin downloading Windows 10. You will see a progress counter from 0 to 100%. Please note that the download speed here will entirely depend on your internet connection, as the file is quite large. Once the download finishes, it will automatically transition into a second progress screen that says Creating Windows 10 Media. Just let it reach 100%. Once the process is complete, you will see a screen that says Burn the ISO file to a DVD, and it will show the file path of your ISO file on the desktop. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click the Finish button. The setup will briefly say, Windows Setup is cleaning up before it closes, and then the window will automatically disappear. Your Windows file is now successfully saved on your desktop, 100% safe and virus-free. Now, to download Rufus without installing anything, click the second link in my video description to go to rufus.ie. Once you are on the website, scroll all the way down until you reach the Download section. Instead of clicking the standard installer at the very top of the list, look closely for the option that says Portable. You will know it is the correct portable option because the file name ends with the letter P, for example, Rufus 4.15p.exe. Clicking that portable link will download a lightweight file that runs instantly with 0 installation required. Before launching Rufus, it is going to ask you to choose between two partition schemes, GPT or MBR. Choosing the wrong one might prevent your PC from booting. Here is how to check what your current PC uses. Right-click your Windows Start button at the bottom left of your screen and select Disk Management from the pop-up menu. Look at the bottom half of the window for your main drive. This is usually labeled as Disk 0. Right-click on Disk 0 and select Properties. In the small window that opens, go to the Volumes tab and look at the line that says Partition Style. If it says Go Ahead Partition Table, choose GPT and Rufus. If it says Master Boot Record, choose MBR. If you are building a brand new modern PC, GPT is almost always the correct choice. Now, close the Properties window and the Disk Management window. Now that we have our files and know our partition type, let's configure Rufus. Step 1. Plug your USB drive into your computer. Step 2. Double-click the downloaded Rufus Portable executable file on your desktop. Right after that, a pop-up window will appear asking, "Do you want to allow Rufus to check for application updates online?" Click the No button. Step 3. The main Rufus software interface will now open immediately, and it will automatically detect your flash drive under the device section at the very top. Double-check the drive letter to make sure it's the right one. Step 4. Under the Boot Selection section, click the Select button on the right side. A window will open. Navigate to your desktop, click the Windows 10 ISO file we saved earlier, and click Open. Step 5. Under Partition Scheme, select GPT or MBR based on what we just checked in Disk Management. The target system type below it will automatically adjust. Step 6. Under Volume Label, you can type a name for your USB, like Win10 install. Leave the file system and cluster size boxes exactly as they are. Step 7. Go to the very bottom of the window and click the Start button. A Windows User Experience pop-up box will now appear with several checkboxes for customizing your installation setup. Leave everything at its default setting and simply click the OK button. Next, a final warning box will pop up alerting you that all data on your USB drive will be permanently destroyed. Click OK to confirm and start the process. Now, Rufus will begin extracting the ISO files and writing them to your USB. You will see the status bar at the bottom filling up. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your USB speed. Grab a coffee and just wait for the status bar at the bottom to turn completely green and read Ready. Once the green bar says Ready, do not click Start again. That will restart the process. Simply click, close at the bottom right, and you can now safely eject your USB drive from your taskbar. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional Windows 10 bootable USB drive ready to deploy on any PC. If this enhanced guide helped you bypass any errors, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point tech content, and leave a comment if you ran into any issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.